It is almost time, friends. A very exciting day is coming up soon for millions of Social Security, SSI, and SSDI beneficiaries, as well as retirees. The biggest increase in 40 years will be added to monthly benefit checks, and many senior citizens will be able to claim an additional $200 per month. Friends, make sure that you watch until the end of this video, especially if you are a Social Security recipient. And to say thank you for joining me here every day when I post a video, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Do enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Also, friends, during the months of October, November, and December, I will be giving away surprise $200 gift cards to those of you that have been in this community for several months, because I know right now can be a very difficult time for many people, and I am committed to supporting all of you as much as I can.
We are feeling the inflation in every aspect of our lives, from paying utility bills to gassing up cars to rent and insurance, and especially to the basics like food. Grocery prices are up 13.5% from this time last year, which is a crushing blow to most Americans who visit their local store once a week, like I do. Milk is up 17%, bread and chicken are up 16%, eggs are up an outrageous 40%, and the list goes on and on. I do my own shopping for my family, and I see this weekly, and it is incredible. This is a reality, but President Biden appears to be living in a very, very different reality. When the latest bad inflation numbers were released last week, President and Washington Democrats threw a party on the White House lawn. That's right, a party, a lawn party. The President and Democrats celebrated as the rest of us watched the Dow plummet and receive an inflation report confirming that this is the worst year for food and electricity inflation since the fallout from President Jimmy Carter. What exactly did they celebrate? Their latest reckless big government and spending bill. Mr. President, I don't have to remind you that just over a year ago, the Democrats rammed through their $2 trillion spending spree, despite economists warning that it would be a catalyst for rampant inflation. Economists warned us then, and they are warning us now about the misnamed Inflation Reduction Act, namely that it won't do anything to ease inflation, but it will certainly add to.
In just 10 days, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics will release key inflation data that serves as a final piece to calculate Social Security's cost of living adjustment for the upcoming year. Since polls and studies have shown how vital Social Security income is to the financial well-being of most retirees, knowing how much payouts are going to rise in 2023 is very important to Americans. Since 1975, the CPIW has been the inflationary tool used to determine the program's COLA. This is an index with more than half a dozen major spending categories. In 2023, all program recipients will receive their largest increase to Social Security benefits on record. Historically, high inflation is expected to push the cost of living adjustment to 8.7%, according to an estimate from the Senior Citizens League. An 8.7% COLA would mark the largest year-over-year percentage increase in 41 years. If they are correct, the average retired worker is looking at $146 per month increase to their Social Security check. Meanwhile, disabled workers and survivor payouts are estimated to rise by $119 per month and $116 per month. An analysis found that the purchasing power of a Social Security dollar has declined by an appalling 40% since the year 2000. The CPIW simply has not done a good job of accounting for the inflation that matters to most seniors. Since the CPIW tracks the spending habits of urban wage earners and clerical workers, key expenditures such as Medicare and shelter are being underweighted. Although Social Security's COLA has led to a number of disappointments throughout the years, The upcoming raise for 2023 actually comes with a bit of a silver lining. Last week, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services released the 2023 premiums, deductibles, and co-insurance amounts for Medicare Part A, Part B, and Part D programs. Most of Social Security's retired workers are enrolled in Medicare. They are used to having their Part B premiums automatically deducted from their monthly retired worker benefit. Officials have stated that the Medicare Part B premiums will fall roughly 3% to $164.90 per month in 2023. The annual deductible for Part B beneficiaries will also decline by $7 from $233 in 2022 to $226 in the upcoming year. Millions of beneficiaries may actually get to keep a bit more of their COLA in 2023, rather than losing it to Medicare Part B premium increases and inflation. So friends, another deadline is coming up. Maine residents have until October 31st to apply for the $850 relief checks. The relief checks are meant to help curb the economic hardship, which is induced by the crisis and inflation, and is funded from the state's budget surplus. The website of the governor of Maine estimates that 858,000 residents will receive these checks. Maine Governor Janet Mills proposed returning much of the state's surplus money back to Mainers, taking a suggestion from Republicans as a historic surplus ballooned, thanks to federal spending and rosier than expected revenue forecasts. It was originally touted as crisis relief, but it is now called inflationary relief. To be eligible, applicants must file returns as full-time Maine residents. Individuals must also not file as dependents and make less than $100,000 per year if single. Well, my beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you for watching my videos every time I post. Remember, friends, please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Friends, the keyword for this video is Kentucky Lake. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure you click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Kentucky Lake, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel.